I am at McAfee Knob. Hey, Brooklyn. Y'all through hikers?
No,
second hikers?
Yeah.
So who are you?
Snickers. Oh, Snickers. Sorry.
Snickers?
Pippi.
Snickers and Pippi. Good to see y'all. Great view. It's pretty incredible up here, right?
It is. It really is.
Dude, the Grand Prix was awesome.
It was a lot of fun, but the hotel itself was not that great.
And who do we have here?
Teddy, hi.
Teddy? Legs? Salamander? Skittles? And Sniper. And you are? I haven't seen you enough to remember your name.
Cody.
Cody, nice to see you.
Bam,
And you are?
U-Haul.
U-Haul. Okay, awesome. We just got this spectacular view here. One of the most photographed spots on the trail.
Yeah, I haul ass for Cody. No, it's literally a Fort Smart.
This is beautiful. And it is a wonderful day to be up on McAfee Knob. And just so you know, we are a long ways up. And down the way is the Tinker Cliffs.
Oh yeah. There's one? Guess who's packing up whiskey?
Legs!
Yo yo.
I guessed.
Huh?
You said to guess.
Oh, it's me.
I guessed.
It's gonna be me.
Yeah.